Hello everyone. Hope everybody is fine. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So today again I have come up with a new topic, just a recent experience, life lessons learned from the pandemic. I just came across one nice article from Lesson, which was in March 2020, and took some nice topics from here, which is actually a learning which we got during the lockdown and during the entire situation of this pandemic. Let's go through one by one. Number one is like internet is not a luxury. There are so many places, so many companies where still the firewall is not on the internet, but the firewall is on who should get access to the internet. Today, this lockdown or this pandemic has shown us internet is actually a necessity, not the luxury. Online classes, work from home, apps related to the corona, etc., etc., etc. Actually, it's not only the internet, but it's internet, high speed internet, and that's is not luxury. We eat to live, not live to eat. Very important. There are a set of people who go out of the home because they want to eat different foods, and there are certain people who earn for the day and then eat. So there are difference. But corona has, or this pandemic, I take my words back, not corona, this pandemic has actually taught that everyone, everyone, irrespective of your income, is eating to live. People are going out, buying the foods, stocking it up, and making sure that they have enough and they don't waste the food, prepare what is required. So that's what we eat to live. Every life matters. People read the news about how many days, how many happens, how much in our area, how much in our country. Maybe we may not know everyone or we don't know everyone, but still the every life is important for everyone. And that's why every life matters. That's what is the biggest lessons we learned in the pandemic. Don't underestimate any person's job. Wow. In the lockdown, the most suffered jobs, we are suffering. The maids are not there. The people who are giving us the different utility services, they are not there. And we have to do all the jobs which maybe we might not have done before, or maybe we are not expert. You have to be self-sufficient. So that's important. Every job is important. It's simple, like respect the individuals as a human. So that's also one of the great learning. Don't underestimate any person's job. Money can buy medicine. Money cannot buy the health. This is the disease which till now do not have any medicine. We can buy a lot of medicine, but we cannot buy the health. And that health means those who have a good immunity system is better off. And that health, it's not like one day, today. It's a practice, it's a habit we have to develop in a life, which definitely we cannot buy with the money. Money can only buy the medicine. People are selfish. Yes, social distancing has taught this. Everyone cares for themselves. Otherwise, before this, people could talk about lot of things. Socializing is important. Use the public transport. Use this thing, and go ahead. Where is that socializing is now? It's only on the net. Everybody is selfish, and that's the inherent nature of a human being. Always make your house a home you love to live in. Just work, go out for a party, a night out, come back home, and just use it for resting and go back. That's not the home. The pandemic forced us to be in a home, and that has taught us always make your house a home you will love to live in. A very, very great lesson. No one is ready to die, obviously, but always use your time very well. It's not that we are seeing that time is short, but many of us are the time wasters. During the pandemic, if anybody is in the lockdown and he has not come out with the added skills, he has wasted the time. And that's also one of the lessons we learned, that no one is ready to die. Nobody wants to die, but use the time, because people started learning, people started going through the sites, learning online, everything started. Me also is not a excuse from this. I also started using this time, developing all these programs, developing this thing. What the article I read, I just created this presentation, and I'm here to share with you. That's what I'm also doing. So nobody is a exception. That's also one of the good learning. We can't plan what we can't predict. Yes, if we predict something, we can plan. We can be prepared. During this lockdown period only, there was a cyclone Amphan. Everybody was prepared, and we could, like as a country, the damage could be managed, minimized. Where we could not predict anything, we were not prepared, we were not planned, and that's a universal truth. Diseases or infections are caused or spread through the poor hygiene. Everybody wash the hand, but with this pandemic, one fact nobody can deny: 95% of the people don't know how to wash hand or how much time to wash hand. The disease spreads, the infection spread only due to poor hygiene. This is a good learning. People using the mask, people washing the hands frequently. We know how to wash the hands. We know how much time we have to wash the hands. What is the right type of material to be used, and that's how we stop the spread of this disease or spread of the infections. Everything starts with us. People believe by seeing. Many places, many people did not take the pandemic seriously. Even after government has imposed the lockdowns, people has not supported, not used the masks, not added to the social distancing, and the spread was just multiplying. When it was started coming to the area we live, when it started coming to the our city, our locality, then the seriousness started, and that's how people believe when they see. So people believe by seeing. That's also one of the lessons learned. We should always take our personal health seriously. Many times it was a casual approach. What happens? But this kind of pandemic, this kind of disease, everybody became serious. Everybody started following the things. If somebody is giving his hand to shake, the other guy says, "Oh, sorry, keep social distancing." That's how the seriousness. So we should always take the personal health seriously. That's also one of the lessons. You definitely need to get habits, not the hobby. Wow, there was before the pandemic, people were looking after the hobbies, not the habits. Now everybody is trying to develop the habit of being safe. Everybody is trying to develop the habit of how to live the life. A great lesson. You should know how to cook. Be self-sufficient. I know when I was a bachelor, all the bachelors we used to try, cook, but then over the years, many of us has forgotten. Those who are stuck alone without family and don't know how to cook, even they learn the importance of cooking. It's just being the self-sufficient. Everyone should know how to cook. We are one and connected. Here, the pandemic has got people connected. It has got people together even with the social distancing. No nationalities, no religion, no age difference, no genders. Everyone is together. Everyone is helping each other. Everyone is sharing the knowledge. And that's how it's a great teamwork has created in the globe. Friends and families are really useful in lots of ways. You cannot be isolated. You need to develop the friends. You need to respect the family members. And that is how we share the knowledge, we care for each other, we talk to each other, we help each other. And that is how this is also one of the big lessons, big life lessons this pandemic has taught us. The friends and families are really useful in lot of ways. Practice saving some money. Those who could not have saving, those who could, maybe many of them lost the job, many of them could not get the full salary, many of them got reduced earning, especially who are in the business and all. And if you do not have the backup with the savings, it was really difficult to survive. This is also one of the great lessons pandemic has taught us, that practice, create the habit of saving. Don't spend more than what you earn. So that's one of the important things. Put limits to everything. Be essentialist. I had last week a session on being essentialist. This is also one of the big thing we have learned during this pandemic, that don't spend unnecessary. Whatever we are earning, just spend what is required, what is essential. Rest is a saving. Respect the resources on the earth and put limits to everything. The life will be more disciplined and much better. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to my social medias to get more and more updates, more and more topics and different technical as well as non-technical uh, topics. Thank you.